And welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Honda NS250R. So these are versions of the before the NSR250R. It was called NS250R. An 1983 bike, I believe. Very nice condition. Well, I would say good condition. Better mechanically, and in the most desirable livery as well, in the Rothmans Honda colour scheme. It has brand new tyres front and rear. Just had a full service done to it too. Running perfectly. Dual front disc and on the front, and a rear disc on the back. Coming in at around 43 horsepower. And they're all kind of iconic two-stroke power. So going from the front then, brand new front tyre. No need to be changing anytime soon. Front mudguard. Slightly missing the Rothmans sticker at the front. Front shocks then are all very nice. And going on to the front headlamp, slight crack in the fairing here, and we have some blemishes on the right hand side of the bike here. Going then through the front fairing, I'm not going to stop at everything, but you can see a few marks in the stickering and so on. As I said, dual front discs. And going on through, the frame is in very, very nice condition, which is something you have to look out for. And the tank on this right hand side is in good condition again, if we can focus. There we are, with one slight blemish here. Going on then to the rear of the bike. Slight blemish in the stickers there. And the seat, we have a slight tear here as well. Going on then to the back, all very nice. Sorry, it's a 1986 bike, not 1983 as I said. But there's some really nice things with this bike. It has all the original, helmet holder underneath here. Everything is in very nice condition underneath. No signs of rust anywhere. As you can see, it has the original fuel tap. This nice metal latch. Has the original cover on the side stand, which is very rare and very hard to find if you lose. Gear stick. This left hand side of the plastics again in the Rothmans colour. And then the tank, we have one slight dent here. And going on to top is low kilometres on the bike as well, with only 12,500. So really nice bike, well priced at what we have it up for, and will be up for sale if you're interested on our Done Deal page and our Facebook page at Retro Bikes Dublin.